Okay, now I'm going to show you how to complete the activity on this slide. So on this slide, you're going to start coming up with your own myth or your own story that is going to explain something. So over here, if you click this button, you're going to see some different options that's going to help you think about what to tell your story about. So maybe I want my story to take place in the sea, so I can click the sea. Maybe I want my story to have this character, this god. And finally, looks like we only have two options for monsters, so I'm going to choose this guy. And the effect, what's the effect? So maybe I want this story to happen at night. So now I'm going to come up with a story to explain this picture, and maybe I want my story to be about how the waves are created in the sea. So I'm going to name this guy, I'm going to name him Hercules. So Hercules is in charge of taking care of the sea. And so one day he was in taking care of the sea and he came upon this big, huge monster. And so they had to fight, and their fights were so terrible that they created all these waves. So that's my example of my story. Now it's your turn to do the same thing. Use this activity to come up with some pictures, and then you make a story about the pictures. That's it.